Money talks, but I ain't got much to speak of. So am I mute if I still choose to speak up? Well, talk is cheap, but I'll still be a rich man. I'd rather have you than the pursuit of riches.
I haven't been saving for vacation. With you, my friend, I don't need no escaping. 'Cause no matter where I go, I always know you're with me. You're all I need, and that's what makes me wealthy.
Ain't got no money, but I ain't got no worries. 'Cause I got you, honey, and you're always with me. And when I'm speaking, you're always listening. 'Cause we are rich in conversation. I know money tries to make me serve it, but only you provide me with a purpose. And I'm no slave, it's here today than vapor. Rather spend my time with you on my mind than paper. Ain't got no money, but I ain't got no worries. 'Cause I got you, honey, and you're always there. And when I'm speaking, you're always listening. 'Cause we are rich in conversation. Watch it come, watch it go. Maybe one day we'll have it all. But for now, this I know, only love is faithful. Watch it come, watch it go. Maybe one day we'll have it all. But for now, this I know, only love is faithful. Watch it come, watch it go. Maybe one day we'll have it all. But for now, this I know, only love is faithful. Ain't got no money, but I ain't got no worries. 'Cause I got you, honey, and you're always with me. And when I'm speaking, you're always listening. 'Cause we are rich in conversation.
you're mine. Park bench, Wednesday morning. Tried my best, conversation got boring, so I'll walk with leaf stains in the park.
This heart of yours pumping love faster than I could run, keeps me coming back again. Now I think I'm sold, that's how it's gonna be. Your love, it takes a hold, I'm never gonna leave. I can't wrap my head around the fact that you keep coming back with all of your love, never ending pursuit. Honestly, I think that I could get used to this. If I pull away, pull me in until I can't resist. I'm never gonna leave, I'm never gonna leave, honest. Could I go? No, I've searched this earth and found that you're the only place where I can say that I'm home now. I'm never gonna leave, I'm never gonna leave, honest. I've tread down every beaten path I know, on the run until you became the road, where I had no plan and I had no map. Getting lost with you, yeah, I'm okay with that. I can't